Let's cross our fingers, touch your both thumb, try to stretch in front of you, take a deep breath, breathe out, make sure that both thumbs they are touching each other as much as possible, smile on the face, take a deep breath, breathe out, deep breathe in again, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, take a deep breath, slowly take it up. I'm sure it is very difficult. Try to touch your arms to the ear. Your tummy is inflated and slowly breathe out. Bring it in front. Take a deep breath and slowly release your hands and breathe out. I'm sure most of the people, they have a lot of challenges in their arms, right, because of stretch, but that's fine, because ultimately our brachial nerves or brachial muscles, they have to first get stimulated. Let's keep both the hands over our shoulder, our fingers are touching our clavicle bone, right, and very slowly take a deep breath and bring it nearer. Elbows are touching each other. Breathe out here completely. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, the cycle should be perfectly matching, and breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out, and relax. I'm sure while managing a team of so many people, we never have this much of ache in our shoulder. Am I right? Right? But now, just moving our hands 5-6 times, we have drained our energy, right? So let's make it unwind the reverse way. 1 and 2. Take it back and 2. Back, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And now, right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand on your right side, right? Try to twist yourself. And here, you have to do a kind of Kapalbhati. Give a jerk to your tummy so that you can breathe out. Your breathing is passive. You have to do it 24 times. And slowly come back with a deep breath release. Let's do it from the other side. Take a deep breath and release it and relax. I'm sure some of you may have darkness in front of your eyes, right? Those who have pushed them to a very high extent while breathing out, they'll have a darkness in front of their eyes. So for them, take a deep breath and very slowly breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out.